Yeah, welcome back, guys. So, if you are actually looking for a way to make a food poster for Instagram or any social media, and you need to watch this video. So, I'm going to show you step by step how you can achieve this. And amazing things is that we are using a Canva this time period. So, and how are we going to achieve all these kind of things? So, the first thing to do is that we are going to go directly to our gallery here. Then the next thing we need to do is let's go to upload directly. So when we're uploading directly from our gallery, it will be very easy. So we'll go to our phone library, then we upload the image we want to use. So this is the image we are going to use a new design or art template. So we are using this as a new background anyway, so it needs to be uploading a little bit, so we need to wait a bit for it to upload. So after uploading, we don't need to re-upload anymore, so we need to bring up all the elements one after the other. So take it for instance, I'm going to uploading file, then go to my phone library. So I have to bring all the images which I want to use, sorry, one after the other. So uploading these once. Okay, so it will be very easy. So add them. So when you add them, you can see automatically everything will be uploaded. So when you're done uploading, we're going to be selecting them one after the other and position them at the appropriate places. So take it for instance, I'm bringing this one here. So after position this one need a shadow to make it place properly. So what I need next is to tap the empty area here where I go to upload as well and bring the shadow. So connecting the shadow and place it properly. So when you place it properly, there is one thing you need to do. You need to send this to the back, okay? So send backward, so make it properly placed. So after you are able to achieve that, tap on empty area and click on upload. So the remaining one that you've imported here, so we have a limited offer. You might be thinking, while the sizes are so rhyme and accurate like this, because I've already set and practicalized everything before trying to show you guys. So I will do the same thing here, going to the next thing. So I need to place a banner, a kind of a tag here where I want to put the price. So once that one has been done, I will have to heading back to the text area. So I need to add subheading where I want to post only peace. Okay, only peace delicious burger. So once you're able to do this, then the next thing we need to do is to tap OK, go to the font. So we kind of a font we want to use. So I'm thinking we should use a Remo font. So when you select an Arimo, close the stuff, then we are going to move it to this particular place. Let it position properly. So after that, we need to reduce the size a bit, reposition properly. Okay, perfect. So the next thing we need to do at this juncture is to go to the spacing. Okay, line spacing, not line spacing, the letters should be spaced a little bit, as you can see. So after that, tap an empty area, you go to the text area, add heading. Okay, so here we are going to put delicious. So when you tap on delicious, tap OK, go to the font, and we are going to use a Lahiji font. Okay, that should be cool. So I'm going to space it a little bit, position it around there. Okay, so the spacing between the alphabet is too much. So what am I going to do? I'll go to the spacing. So the letter spacing should be closed a bit, just as this. So after closing the letter spacing, so I will move it up a little bit, then go to the color area. So I will give it a red color. So you can drag the color picker to this side, think about the color very well, let it be red. Okay, then you position it, tap on empty area. So now we'll go to the text again where we're going to have our heading. Then we'll put a burger in cap. Okay, so we'll go to the font area. Then we use a Rubik 1 font, which we are going to increase a little bit and smuggle it away to position around there. So we need to add some kind of a we need to garnish it to make it okay. So once we position that there, then we'll go to the letter spacing first. Okay, the spacing. So the line spacing now, the letter spacing should be close a bit. So after we're able to achieve that, we need to add some stuff to make it cool. So take it for instance, we go to, so let's go to format. Yes, we don't have to anything to do with format. Let's go to text style. Okay, let's go to effect, apply a shadow. Okay, when we apply shadow, we are going to make it blur, the offset shouldn't be watch, the direction shouldn't be much, transparent shouldn't be much, the color is okay, we'll blur it again. So okay, imperfect like this, but the transparency should, okay, guess it's perfect like this, somehow perfect. So you apply the shadow, don't let it be too much and don't let it be too obvious as well. So you need to just adjust in a proper direction. Okay, just indicate that you attach a shadow to it. So once we are able to do that, the next thing we need to do, I want to shift this up a bit. Why this should be split up a bit. Okay, perfect. So once we're able to do that, I will go to the element where I've searched for arrow. Okay, I need an arrow. Go to elements, you search for arrow. Let's look at the arrow here, will be a FEC one. So take it for instance, I need to make use of this. So I will rotate it, left flip it. Okay, exactly. So once you flip it, you position it here. Okay, cool. So once we're able to achieve that, we need to reduce the size a bit to this. Okay, delete this, reduce the size very well, position it properly. So this could be reduced a bit. Okay, perfect. Okay, bring it down. So you can just adjust it a bit. So you can go to the notch, so you use it to adjust it a bit. Okay, cool. So once you're able to do that, the spacing between this should be adjusted a bit. the spacing. Okay, perfect. So after that has been achieved, then we go to copy, duplicate this, then go to the edit and put burger it's burger time. Okay, then we'll put this hyphen. So we click OK. You reduce the size a bit, so position that here, tap empty area. So now we are going to copy this as well. So when you copy, you edit, then you put drink burger. Okay, drink burger and fries. Reduce the size very well, increase, position it well. Okay, perfect. So after that has been done, so go to the text area, copy this. Okay, so when you copy this, we going to edit. So we have one, let's say number 13, floor flawless streets. Okay, flawless streets. Okay, Lagos, Lagos State. So we click done, then we are going to bring that one here. Should not be that kind big, could be around there. Okay, perfect. So after that, we are going to copy. So copy, you are going to edit, put www, www.oliburger.com. So now we tap done and we are good to go. So we're going to position that here. So after that, I want to look for fonts that won't be as bold as that. So instead, I prefer um Archivo font. So the one that are not, so I prefer Archivo arrow. Let's see this. So I prefer Archivo or Multizera. So looking at the Multizera font, okay, perfect. Then the burger should a little bit be dropped down here. This should come down to, so perfect. Now sorry, go to the font. So let's look for the season. Okay, that is what we're going to use. So we change the one at the top as well. Okay, change it to season. We'll need a cool font for that. So you wait a bit. I'm trying to figure out the font that can actually go with that. So looking at this now, we can tell that this is the perfect font. So we'll go to effect, then we'll put none to this, so that will be cool. So the space in between should be there. So we'll space it a bit. Then the size should be reduced. So once we do that, we drag this one down a bit. So when you drag that one, drag this a bit as well. While this should be shifted up, this should follow. Okay. So now we have the whole stuff being done. So the last thing that we need to do here is to put in this copy. Then we'll go to edit. When we go to edit, we tap special. So tap special and click done. We are going to position that one here. So reduce the size. So we're going to reduce the size. So position it properly. Okay, then change the color to white. Click OK. Then we're going to copy this, edit. Then we have to put in price there. Let's say $3. Okay, then we're going to drag the spacing between the alphabet should be closed. Okay, so we'll close the space, reduce it small. Perfect. So we're going to position that here. Cool. So after that, we change the whole color, everything to just move this one up. This should be moving up as well. Okay, then change the color. Just change the color to, change the color to white as well. Then the next thing, we copy this, then pull offer. Just copy, then you edit and put offer. So perfect. Then this should be reduced as well. Yeah, should let's make it to be in cap special. So shift this one up a bit. Okay, excellent. So now we're done with everything, and as you can see, this is just a simple tricks on how you can come up with a footer poster on your Canva application. Thanks for watching, guys. I believe we'll learn something from here. Just make sure you save your work as PNG. Cool, and you can use any variety of stuff. So when you download, save it, then we're good to go. Thanks for watching once again. God bless you.